This building itself being the oldest, the property existed as a planing mill for about 30 years, and then it closed down during World War I. But to some extent, it's been involved in woodworking its entire history, which is kind of fun. So I've been woodworking since the 90s, and I started with antique restoration, more or less breaking my mom's furniture and then having to fix it before she found out. In a nutshell, I lost my leg to a trampoline. I broke my Achilles tendon real bad on a trampoline, and I had a post-operative infection. For most people, they lose a limb and it's the beginning of disability, and for me, losing my limb was the end of disability. This is the peg leg. And you can see it's a little warped, but it's always been kind of a running joke, the name PegLeg Studio. I actually named the company before I lost my leg because I knew it was gonna happen. After working in the antique business for a long time, I started to focus more on building custom furniture. That grew into larger and larger projects. Commercial furniture was a great way to express creativity because the projects tended to be bigger, the scale was bigger. Right now I'm starting to transition out of that and just focusing on the router and providing now we're doing more business-to-business services. Our primary workflow is cutting parts, panels for other shops. Cabinet shops that haven't invested in a CNC will take care of all their engineering and cutting all their panels for all their projects. We cut curved panels for upholstery shops. We cut sets for various theater companies, but then we also take on the really specialized CNC stuff. It might be another shop that has a CNC can't figure out how to make something, and we've figured out how to mill it. It could be that their machine is down and they just need somebody who's got a large enough machine that can handle that capacity. We've even worked with defense contractors, helping them with concept development. My first big tool purchase was the table saw, and it had an immediate impact. It's the first time I've bought something that was like, wow, man, there's almost immediate return here. So when it came time to start changing the direction of the business and looking into CNCs, Felder was the logical course to follow. I know other shops, friends of mine who have run Felder equipment for many years. Felder's always been easy to work with. It's dependable, it's durable. The relationship with the company is really important. I'm really excited that there's an office in the neighborhood. I mean, there's some aggregates we want to buy, there's some accessories we want to buy. Makes you really want to play with it and develop it more and then get them down here to show it off. Since we've gotten the router, we've actually become a lot more specialized. Basically now the rest of the shop has become more or less a support structure for the router, and so we've really drilled into that as the service that we provide to other companies and to industrial designers through prototyping. It's really enabled us to focus on the things we do really well. Our main goal is to feed that machine to our benefit and to the benefit of the companies we work with. I do have some more equipment dreams. I'm thinking someday soon the spray booth might leave and we might replace it with another CNC. I would just go straight to Felder for my next CNC. Felder equipment has made us more specialized, so our clients are now getting a better product, a more accurate product.